Wait for Rudy up ahead. We're starting to get... Jesus. What the hell's going on? You can... Hey, we got some cows. Yay. Complete with the bells. How are you, Georgia? He wants me to stop. Nah. We're getting there, man. Keep at it. We're getting there. Hey guys. Oh, what the F are we doing here? Giorgio. A cima ho bisogno acqua. C'è acqua sopra?
Non lo so.
Vediamo. Sono che film andiamo, vai.
Quello non si aggancia. Non si aggancia ma non si muove.
Sorry about it. Cool, let's go. Ciao guys, see you soon. 18 k's so far and 800 meters. Yeah, those actually we had some 14% back there. Check this out. Oh, hope you can hear the bells. They're having their brekkie. There's a nice stream. Check out the scenery, man. It's good to be alive. If I don't have that back pain, I'd be jumping out of my skin. Look at the dogs. Buongiorno, signore. Look at the beautiful stream there. And that's where we're headed to. I told you stop effing swearing.
Oh, you got the thing on?
Yeah. That was really Galletti swearing.
Fuck me.
No thanks.
Right, point it up there.
Where?
That's where we have to suffer. Up there he told us we're going.
Just hang in there. A bit longer. Yes, there's really, oh, joy, oh, fantastic. There's that cow tender, not being a shepherd. Go, Rudy. Go. Oh. And away we go. I might as well switch off, okay. Oh. Dropped it another gear. It's been 12-13% now for the last, I don't know, 3/4 of a K. Oh, hard yakka. Oh, thank God for that. Look at that. Where's Rudy? You can spot him. There he is down there. Rudy, up here! Oh. What's going on? Thank you. Grazie. Thank you. Starting to get hot now. It's only 10 o'clock. There's the road there. Ooh. I'll switch off.
Speriamo che vediamo se riesco a vedere dov'è.
Georgia said that Rudy's having difficulty here, we know that. But I'm thinking, well, there's your mountain hut. If that was a constant 12% for about 2 k's, I don't think I can do 18. And my back's aching. Chew down, Georgia. And I got one more gear left, I think. That is the lowest. Okay, so we go. Yeah. Seat. This is better. The slightly flat section for the kill going up to the top, eh? What's that? Surely we didn't come up that. Must be some other road. There's the cows. Hello. How you going? A bit more. Cop there. Okay, switch off. Get past each other. Too tight. The white car is reversing back. Uphill. This is hard.